Problem. Traditional toilets often waste water and lack hygienic features, leading to insufficient and hygienic bathroom experiences. Causes. Outdated toilet designs, inefficient water management, lack of sensor integration. Solution. Implement a small flusher toilet system. Automatic flushing. Use sensor to detect user presence of flush automatically. How it will solve the problem? By implementing smart flush toilet system in public areas, improves hygienic condition, can decrease urine infections. Thank you.